Welcome back to Carnivore's Corner. Today we're going to make these crab stuffed shrimp, some lobster tail over a lemon garlic pasta. First you want to butterfly the back side of these shrimps. We already took the tails off and the veins out. This is going to help them sit in the pan a little bit better. Just slice them back like that and set them aside. Now you want to get a couple pieces of bacon frying down. You guys know all about that. We're just going to be chopping this up and putting it in our stuffing mixture for the shrimp. So get it nice and crispy. When it's all done, we'll take it out and just chop it up into real small pieces. Set that in a bowl and set it aside for a couple minutes. Now we got some lemon pepper, some Cajun seasoning, smoked paprika, Old Bay, and some barbecue rub. Little crushed chilies. Mix some olive oil in there. Toss the shrimp in. Make sure all the shrimp are nice and coated. We'll set them aside for a little bit. Now we got that bowl with the bacon. We're going to come in with that Duke's mayo. To that, we're getting a little Dijon mustard. Now we're throwing some hot sauce in there. Some more of that lemon pepper. A little bit more Cajun seasoning and a little Old Bay. Next, we're going to chop up some fresh parsley. Get that into the bowl. I'm going to juice one lemon into this. Make sure you don't have any seeds in there. Next, we're going to crush up some Olive Garden garlic croutons. You could use breadcrumbs here too. I just like the way these taste better. Give that a good old mixing. Now we're going to use our can of lump crab meat. We're just going to mix that real gently. We don't want to break the crab up too much. We're just going to take a little bowl of the crab stuffing, put it on the inside of the shrimp, because the way we butterfly them, they'll stand up nice like that. A couple pads of butter and garlic in there. We're going to throw them on the smoker, 300 degrees. And we got some butter melted down with some parsley and garlic. And add some heavy cream. Next, we're going to be adding juice of half a lemon to this. And the shrimp and crab, they got done on the smoker. So we pulled them out in the meantime. And took them out of the cast iron and set them aside. We boiled some pasta. We put the pasta back in the cast iron pan. And we're going to come in, we're going to hit it with that sauce. Mix it up real good. Make sure you get it all in there. Now we added the shrimp back on with some lobster tails that I had in the sous vide. And this was delicious. Give it a try, and it's a pretty simple recipe to make. Thanks for watching, as always, and have a good day.